Hello guys, I'm here with another laptop. This is Dell 7577, a gaming laptop. So this one comes with 7th generation like Core i5 or Core i7 and also a 1060 6 GB Max-Q video card. Okay, I know what you guys want to look at. You want to see how to upgrade the RAM and how you can do with a hard drive. Okay, let's start. So I already opened the backlit for you. So open this backlit is pretty simple because there's only one screw here. You see, there's only one screw here. You unscrew this one and the lid will pop up. Yeah, very easy. It's easier than any other laptop I already handled. Okay, so what I have is the lowest configuration, so the cheapest one. So the cheapest one comes with 256 SSD, 8 gig RAM, and i5 and 1060 6 GB. So here's what you see if you have the lowest config. And 2 RAM slot, one is taken, the other is empty. So this one definitely 8 gig. And here is the M2 SSD, and it's 256. And here is like empty 2.5 hard drive bay. So when you have this, you can either add SSD 2.5 or you can add like 2 terabytes or 1 terabytes like 2.5 hard drive. Okay, and this M2 SSD, you just leave it there. Right now the hard drive is pretty expensive. I think you don't want to waste it, right? Of course, if you want, you can put it like NVMe like 1 terabyte or Samsung, which costs like $300 here. Yeah, it's up to you, but I just say all kinds of config comes with an M2 SSD. Yeah, some configuration comes with like 2.5 hard drive, so this would be taken. But for me, this cheapest one, this one is empty, so you can do whatever you want for here. There's nothing else I can say about this laptop. Everything is very solid build, like 2 fans out there. And here's the Wi-Fi card, and here's a large battery. But if you use for gaming, it's definitely not enough. Okay, that's all. I think. Hope it helps. Thanks for watching.